I don't know if people don't talk about this particular moisturizer. Like, it's really good. Like, let's see. Hi lovelies, welcome to my beauty channel. My name is Damla. In today's video I'm going to be talking about face moisturizers for damaged skin barrier. Stick around and do not go anywhere at all. So when they say damaged skin barrier, what does that mean? When your skin is really dry, it's very itchy, it's flaky, it's looking really dull, it has acne on it, you have hyperpigmentation as well as part of it, you have irritations, you have bacteria, you know, that means your skin barrier is damaged. But guess what? Fear not. Damla is with you. Don't worry, I got you real good. That is why you need to watch this video till the end. So I had to unpick some moisturizers that have specific ingredients for damaged skin barrier. Now, one of the ingredients that is really suiting for damaged skin barrier is ceramide. Ceramide is really important when you're trying to treat your damaged skin barriers. Ceramide helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to protect the skin barrier from getting damaged. Another ingredient that is really good, that is a key ingredient for damaged skin barrier, is panthenol. Panthenol helps to soothing irritation. It helps to like improve skin elasticity. It helps to like rejuvenate the skin. It helps to heal the skin. It helps to heal wound. It helps to do a lot of things to the skin. That is why you need all these ingredients, you know, in products that would help to cure your skin barrier that is damaged. Now, I want to say a very big accolade to Face Fact, because most of their products carries ceramides in it. You will hear 5 ceramides in this, 5 ceramides in that. Their foaming cleanser has ceramides, and me, I've been a big fan of ceramide foaming cleanser for like a while now. When I'm talking about it, we're talking about like 3 years now or 2 years. I'm just loving, I think 2 years. I'm just loving their foaming cleanser, the one that's specifically for oily skin. It's just really good for my skin, and I don't think I'm going to ever stop using ceramide products. And guess what, I'm also using their moisturizer. But before we get to that, I'm going to give you some list of moisturizer that are specifically for treating your damaged skin barrier. Number 1 on the list today, guys, is the one that says Anua 3 ceramide panthenol moisturizer. This particular one is definitely going to hydrate your skin. It's a Korean moisturizer that has panthenol and ceramides in it. Like I said, ceramide helps to hydrate the skin, helps to protect the skin barrier. Panthenol also does the same thing, but it does more. It does way more. So incorporating these 2 ingredients in just one product, you should know that your damaged skin barrier is going to get a solution. It's going to look really good. It's going to heal up. It's going to hydrate you. It's going to make your skin look really plump. It's going to make your skin look really firm, glowy looking, not itchy looking, not dry looking, not flaky looking. You know, it's going to heal your skin and you'll feel restored. But bear in mind that if you're going to use this particular product, always endeavor to patch test. Patch test, because I'm not going to promise you that, okay, it's for all skin types, but you can use it, you're safe, you're sound. Please endeavor to patch test every product I mentioned in this video. All right. Next one is the one that says ceramide moisturizer face and body. Now this is from Face Fact. I use this one specifically, and guys, I am loving it. I am loving this particular moisturizer, guys. I cannot tell you how much I love this moisturizer. It's for face and body, and I spoke about it, I think I reviewed it one time. You can see, guys, I've used this, like, I don't know if you guys can see, I've used it literally, like, it's almost gone, and I'm like, yo, I need to get another one, because it does not just only moisturize my skin, it tends to make my skin soft, and I can use it for my face and my body. Normally I don't use lotions for face and body. I use have face cream, body lotions, but this one goes for my face and my body. It says 2-in-1 face and body cream to nourish dry and sensitive skin. I don't have a dry skin, by the way. Help to restore, maintain your natural moisture. Some of you will be like, and why are you using a moisturizer that is for dry skin on your skin? It doesn't clog the pores. It doesn't have fragrance. Even though I have oily face, it doesn't clog my pores. I don't break out from it. My God, the effect of this particular moisturizer is so good that I just love it. And like I said, Face Fact are doing the most. Like, they are literally doing the most. Sorry guys, I just need to apply this for you guys to see. they are doing the most with their products. I haven't tried the blemish one. I haven't tried the one that says hydrating. It's just the foaming cleanser for oily skin, and this one I'm using. But if you have tried the blemish cleanser, let me know your thoughts on it, guys. Let me know, because I know that ceramide in general is very good for skin barrier, like so good for skin barrier. I don't know if people don't talk about this particular moisturizer. Like, it's really good. Like, you guys see, I think I took so much, but it's a blending. It absorbs into the skin really fast as well, so it makes it. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? Oh my days, oh my days, oh my don't even let me start. Oh my days, can you guys see? The effect is so amazing. Don't forget your neck area when you're applying something like this. Oh, sorry, Mike. Can you guys see the effect? I'm not capping, no. It is nice. It is nice. So it says face pack ceramide skin barrier complex. Face pack ceramide skin barrier complex. So this is the number 2 on the list. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body, and you are good to go. And number 3 is Dr. Arti 345 relief cream. This particular one contains niacinamide and ceramide. Imagine having these two incorporated in your skincare routine. Niacinamide helps to relieve irritations, helps to soothe irritations, helps to hydrate the skin. Ceramide helps to hydrate the skin, helps to protect your skin barrier. My God. Combining these two is a very, very smart move. So this particular cream is good for sensitive to acne prone skin. So if you have acne prone skin, you can use it. If you have sensitive skin, you can use it. Though some people might complain and be like, okay, this is not working for me, it's peeling my skin, I'm breaking out, blah blah blah. That is why you need to patch test any product before you start using it. At a time when I was using this particular moisturizer, I complained about it. I think I was reacting to it, but guess what? It wasn't this that was actually making me react. So sometimes it might not be that particular product that is making you react. It might be something else that you're incorporating in your skincare routine that is even making you react. But regardless, patch test any products. Patch test any product. So that particular cream is good, is nice, is very okay for the skin, but please still patch test before you continually use it on your skin. Patch test here, patch test here, patch test for like 2 days and see the results on your skin before you continually use. Don't come and say that Damola said I should buy this, I'll go and buy it. Please be very careful with your skin. My skin is not your skin, your skin is not my skin. What works for me might not work for you. Does that make sense? But I love this. Alright, and number 4 on the list, guys, is the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Now this particular one is really good as well. It contains ceramides, it contains ceramides in it. I believe CeraVe are just amazing brand. Like, they're doing very well in the industry, though their products are quite pricey, like so expensive. But if you can afford it, go for the one that says CeraVe moisturizing cream. It's really good for the face and the body as well, just like this particular face fact, more M2-in-1. It's good for skin barrier, protect the skin, right, to hydrate the skin as well. It's really good when it comes to trying to protect your skin barrier from getting damaged. That is the CeraVe moisturizing cream. It's really good, especially for those of you that have dry skin. But if you think that it is not okay with your pocket, like it's not pocket friendly, you can go for the next one I'm about to mention, and that is the one and only CeraVe. That is the one and only ceramide moisturizing gel face moisturizer. CeraVe moisturizing gel cream, gel moisturizer. You should know what I'm trying to say, guys. This particular one here that has hyaluronic acid and oats in it. So if you're trying to treat your skin barrier and you don't incorporate hyaluronic acid, if you have hyaluronic acid serum in your skincare routine, that's a plus for you, because hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate the skin. I need hydration to the fullest while trying to treat your skin barrier. So having this kind of gel moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid and oats in it, I think it's a very good one. It's going to help to sooten your skin. It's going to help to hydrate your skin, and it contains ceramides as well, which helps to hydrate the skin. So hyaluronic acid, ceramides, those two ingredients are completely huge when it comes to hydrating the skin. They're completely huge when it comes to hydration. So you need hydration to the fullest, especially for those of you that have dry skin. If you have dry skin, you need to incorporate hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine. It will go a long way. You will do this thing, or if you do this thing rather, you come and thank me and tell me, Damola, my skin barrier is never like before anymore. Thank you for what you do. And I'll be like, thank you too for listening. Yeah, there are a lot of hyaluronic acid you can get at the market that are so affordable. You don't have to spend too much money. But I'm just saying that if you incorporate hyaluronic acid as a serum in your skincare routine, it is a plus. But all these moisturizers I've mentioned so far, they are really, really good when it comes to treating skin barrier that is damaged. All right, yeah, that's it basically, guys. If you have anyone you think I did not mention that you like to add to the list, please go ahead and do that in the comment section. And if you have anyone you would like to try out, let me know the one you would like to try out in the comment section as well. If you have any question for me, feel free to ask me down below. It's ever here, ever available for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and post notification, and please share as much as you can. I love you guys. Really good. Stay blessed. My skin is glowing, Dora.